Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into automated blog content creation and exploring two powerful tools, Copy.ai and Writesonic. First up is Copy.ai, known for its user-friendly interface and a plethora of content generation templates designed to help bloggers save time. Next, we have Writesonic, which offers advanced AI capabilities for content writing, focusing on SEO optimization and engaging storytelling. Let's compare the key features of both tools side by side to determine which might be the better fit for your needs. User experience is crucial. We're looking at how easy each platform is to navigate for bloggers of all levels. Now, let's discuss pricing models, because understanding the cost is essential when choosing your blogging tools. SEO capabilities are vital for driving traffic, so let's analyze how both applications handle optimization. Real user experiences can provide valuable insights into each tool's effectiveness. Let's take a look at some testimonials. As we look towards the future, what trends can we expect in automated content creation as we head into 2025? In conclusion, both Copy.ai and Writesonic offer unique benefits for bloggers. Let's discuss which tool might be the best investment for making money in 2025.